Breville Smart Oven Air with super convection is a real superhero. The power of super convection generates extreme air circulation for fast and even cooking. It reduces cooking time by 30% and makes techniques like air frying, dehydrating, roasting or proofing super simple. It's supersized, 1 cubic foot, and allows you to roast a perfectly brown 14-pound turkey. It also fits a 5-quart Dutch oven, most 9 by 13 inch pans, standard 12-cup muffin trays and 9 slices of toast. Our Element IQ technology uses 6 independent quartz heating elements to move the power where it's needed most, above and below the food. Advanced PID temperature control reduces overshoot to deliver precise and stable cooking temperatures. With 13 easy-to-use pre-programmed settings and interface and suggested positioning on the oven door, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. Let's roast a 14-pound turkey. First, select the roast function, then temperature, and lastly, set the time. I've placed the turkey in a roasting pan in the correct rack position. Allow it to rest and you will have the perfect roast. Super succulent turkey. For those of you who love healthier, guilt-free cooking, you can now air fry. High heat and super convection maximizes airflow for fast and crispy food. Select the air fry setting, pop the fries in the air fry basket and place in the smart oven. Crunchy, moreish, healthier air-fried French fries and other family favourites are only minutes away. Super convection also makes dehydrating super simple. Temperatures can be set as low as 83 degrees for precise, low and stable heat. Select dehydrate, confirm temperature and time and press start. Place your preferred slices of fruit or vegetables in the dehydrate basket. I simply start dehydrating after the kids go to bed and the next morning I've got lovely, healthy snacks. The low temperature control paired with super convection creates ideal conditions for proofing bread, rolls, pizza and more. Select the proof setting, confirm the temperature and time and press start. The proof is in the dough. Using the dedicated slow cooker function, it makes tender and flavourful stews and casseroles. I press start in the morning and when I come home from work, I have dinner done. Super flavour, super slow. The Breville Smart Oven Air does so many things better. It toasts more evenly. It bakes moist and delicious cakes, muffins and mouth-watering pies and cookies. With the pizza setting, you could have fresh homemade pizza in the same amount of time it would take to order it in. It can reheat leftovers, keep a meal warm without drying it out, and phase cook allows you to set programs back to back. Bake your lasagna and broil the topping automatically. For more ideas, tips and inspiration, why not explore our online recipe collection? It'll help you achieve super results. With super convection and more function, it quite simply is my super-powered countertop hero.
The new Cuisinart AirFryer toaster oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that provides great-tasting treats with up to 75% less fat. Traditional deep fryers immerse your foods in oil for extended periods, resulting in oversaturated foods that can be hard to digest. The Cuisinart AirFryer toaster oven uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to prepare a variety of meals that are both delicious and healthier than traditional frying. Cook fresh veggies with 30% less oil and 60% faster when compared to oven roasting. And air fry your favorite snacks with 75% less oil than pan frying and 90% less oil than traditional deep frying. Preparing crispy buffalo-style chicken wings, hot and salty French fries, or savory pork chops has never been easier. Make any one of the exclusive recipes included in the recipe booklet or create your own delicious dish with less fat. When your recipe calls for a different cooking method, this toaster oven has got you covered. Finish sweet baked goods like cakes and custards as you would in any traditional oven, and crisp frozen pizzas to perfection with maximum efficiency. The convection baking function uses a fan to circulate heated air around food as it cooks and is perfect for baked goods that require even browning like scones, cookies, pastry, and bread. Prepare meats or top brown casseroles and gratins using the broil or convection broil function. and easily toast your breads, bagels, and hot sandwiches to the shade you prefer using the toast function for a quick and easy meal or snack. When you're finished cooking, cleanup is a breeze as the entire interior surface of the oven is coated in durable non-stick material. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting, all brought to your countertop with the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven.
Introducing the Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven from BLACK+DECKER. It combines 2 kitchen appliances into one. All the convenience of a countertop toaster oven, now with air fry technology. The air fry function is so easy to use. Just fill the frying basket, turn the function to air fry, and set the time. No preheat necessary. You can make French fries, frozen snacks, cuts of meat, and more. While a deep fryer submerges food in high-fat oil, the air fryer uses convection technology to circulate high-intensity hot air. This method adds a delicious crisp to your favorite fried foods, all with little to no added oil. You also get classic toaster oven performance with functions like toast, broil, bake at specific temperature, and keep food warm. Set the cook timer for predictable results, or use the stay on function for longer cooking tasks. With the toasting function, use the shade timer to get the exact results you want. The Crisp and Bake comes in 2 sizes to fit your family's needs. Make toast for big breakfasts, pizza for the party, or a full pan for family dinner. The larger model fits a 9 by 13 inch pan with handles, so you can use the pans you already own. The ease and convenience of a toaster oven, now with air frying, a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods. You get it all with the Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven, only from BLACK+DECKER.
Emeril Lagasse here with my new Power Air Fryer 360. The air fryer with quick cook turbo heat technology that air fries with air, not oil.
The secret is the 5 heating elements and smart fan with turbo blades to distribute the heat evenly throughout the entire cooking surface. The airflow racks mean you can cook up to 450% more than in a traditional air fryer.
This is so much more than an air fryer.
This is a dehydrator, air fryer, convection oven, rotisserie, and toaster oven all in one. This is the most versatile kitchen tool you'll use every day. And there's more. The stainless steel airflow mesh basket, the stainless steel rack, the roasting baking tray, the rotisserie spit, and all accessories are dishwasher safe. We'll also include Emeril's recipe book. Order now